Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I don't even know where to begin today, but I just thought I realized that I don't share too much, when it comes to the realities of the work that we do. Ne? Yeah, let me take them off. Um, there are, I have reasons for that. One, I think I've told you in the past, I don't like sharing or exposing my initiates, for example, or if I've been to a home or family, and then I will shoot a video with that family, showing what I was doing with them or whatever. I just feel that is, it can't be right. You understand? I'm the one, on social media, so I can't subject everyone, you understand, that comes across me to now be a part of my, social media journey. I don't mind being exposed, but I'm not sure about other people, wanting to be exposed with me. So usually I respect, whichever family I'm working for at that time, or I respect my initiates as well. You understand? Like now, the initiate I'm with, I can't even tell you who she is. I can't tell you much. You understand? But I think there's a few things, we can share, because I think most of the people that come to the channel are people quite interested in, you know the the insights, you understand, of a spiritual journey of igqirha. I'm quite aware of that. I'm quite aware that people are curious, not just curious, if you know, Uti, this is a journey you have to undertake at some point in your life. Obviously, you become curious. You would want to know, just have a clue, Uti, what exactly goes on. You understand? Much as I can't expose everything, but I think this and that, we understand, we can share. You get me? Just, to feed your curiosity. Right now, I am stationed by the river, Ikume River. We are here for isiphuthumo or imfukam yakomkhulu, for an initiate. So she is somewhere, I can't show you, somewhere around here, far from me, a distance from me, and I'm here on my side of the river, alone right now. I have two security guards that the family asked to be with me during this time, because like I said the other day, this time around I'm alone. I don't have anyone accompanying me. I'm all on my own. So I think I'm sharing because I want people to realize that there's nothing sexy, about being igqirha. So if this is a journey you would be undertaking because you are just curious, or as people would like to claim that some of us get into this because we've run out of ideas, we've lost it, or we've failed in life. We feel like failures, so this is where we hide. You understand? I don't think anyone sane in their minds, would want to come hide here. Look, this is a real bush. Um, this is a bomber, that is built for me, so that I'm under some kind of a shelter at least. I'm not exposed in the sun. If it rains, I won't get wet. Yeah, so we just take shrubs from the surroundings, you understand, to build the boma, and would put a sail on top of the shrubs, you understand. So there's nothing sexy about this. It's really rudimentary kind of living, you know, going back to I don't know. Sure, guys, it's not even camping. I don't know what you would call it, but there's nothing wonderful about being here. Look, these are my belongings right now. There is my tasi, isikhwama sam. There is my the light I use, the lamp I use in the evening. There's my suitcase with my stuff for tomorrow. Impahla zonxiba ngomso xa ndikhupha umguli. These are the blankets. I also use them to support my back right now. There's my food. That's jam and baked bread. Songa sombako payana. You see, behind Igubu, there is, unfortunately you can't see it, but the river is not far. Like, it's quite visible from here, but I don't think it will be visible on the video. And I'm sleeping on, you know, a sponge. You understand? I still have a lot of work to do. These are the reeds I still have to put beads on. These are the beads I'm working with. Yeah. So nalikheulam. Look at my cold room. Cold cam. It's no longer cold, for example. So it's not fun, but it's okay. You understand? I can live here. It's peaceful. I get to do a lot on my own. For example, I don't have anyone to rely on to help me. So I have a lot of bidding to still, you know, go through, because today is the last day. So I have to make sure that, you know, I cover a lot of ground today so that all the bids go into the initiates bomber by this evening. So yeah, it's really that simple and basic. There's nothing wonderful about being in the bush, but yet again, depending on your calling, it really is. It doesn't feel like, how do I put it? It doesn't feel like a punishment. I'm okay being here. I'm okay being lonely. There's no network, for example. To post this video, I would have to take a walk up the hill, because as you can imagine, rivers are usually at the bottom of a hill or something, you understand. So I'm at the bottom of some village called Melanie location in Alice. So for me to access the network, I have to walk up to the village, you understand. Just take a walk, which I don't mind, because I need to stretch as well, because sitting on the ground the whole day can be painful, eh? So yeah, this, like, I think I just wanted to share with you. I don't think people would choose this journey just because, you understand. You are chosen for starters, and you just submit. This is me being submissive. You understand? My peers are somewhere, you know, in boardrooms or air-conditioned offices at this point, and I am here. You understand? And I really don't feel bad, you know. I don't feel like I'm not supposed to be here. It's okay. It's okay. And I was laughing this morning. Actually, I don't even know if this is a story time, if I should make it a story time or what. But I was laughing this morning because I told my initiator, it's okay, in the bush, because first we started at her home, you understand? So at home, if she needs to relieve herself, she would have to call me, you understand? Using a whistle, yeah. So, and then I would go and take her out. But here it's the bush. There's no need to call me. You just get out of the boma and do what you need to do, you know? Just do the ish. You understand? So this morning I heard the whistle blowing, and I'm like, okay, what could it be? You understand? It was very early. I'm like, she can't be hungry. What could it be? Maybe kukho umhlekazi omqinileyo. Is there something in the boma? Does she want to run away? Yo, what am I supposed to do? What will I do if there's something in there? Will I have to take it out? Will I have to run with her? I was like, I don't know what the hell she's calling me for, but let me go. So I went to check on her, and she's like, no, there's really nothing wrong. I just feel tired being in here. And she was already outside the bomb. I'm like, girl, you're not allowed to do that. You only go out to relieve yourself. Otherwise, you're inside all the times. And she's like, no, but I'm tired and they are ants, all over here. Um, you know, these ants are irritating her and there are butterflies, things flying inside. So can't she just, take a walk? I'm like, do what? Take a walk? She's like, yeah, just to stretch. Oh my goodness. I was like, is that what you called me for? She's like, yeah. Am I not allowed to take a walk? I'm like, no, you can't. You can't take a walk. You're supposed to be in there. She's like, can I, um, um, go to the river? Just, you know, drink some water. I'm like, no, you can't. The only liquid you'll have is slow.